So a few weeks ago, Alan came over, and while I was not in the room, he went and put my high school photo up on the wall there. So that's a pretty harmless prank. The thing is though, he's my brother, and you just can't let that stuff go. So I vowed revenge, and today we're getting that revenge. Now, to accomplish our revenge today, I've already gone ahead and went out to the dark web and purchased Alan's high school photo. He's, you know, really cute. He's 17. He's got those hands there. Oh, so cute. And so an opportunity has presented itself, and we're gonna be doing this today. It turns out Alan is out of town. Now, the last time Alan went out of town, I went over to his house, took an old fender off of his Bug, repainted it to match his car, and put it back on. Today, there's another project that Alan wants to do and hasn't done yet, so we're going to help him out with that too. So Alan's been talking for a while about doing like a Zero to Awesome logo or something on the wall of his garage somewhere. And are y'all putting this together yet? Hello? All right, so we're now alone in Alan's garage. He's got a camera in here. His Tesla has cameras in it. They both send him alerts whenever people are in his garage doing something they're not supposed to be doing. But now we're alone, it's just us, so we can talk about what we're gonna do. So, like I was saying, Alan was planning on doing a Zero to Awesome logo in his garage on his pegboard. As you can see, he hasn't gotten to that yet. He's been doing, I don't know, other things. But we're gonna go ahead and help him start and finish that today. The only thing is though, we're not gonna be putting what he wants up there. So in a prior video, I said I was gonna get revenge, but like 10 times worse than what he did. So he just put a picture on the wall. And what's 10 times worse than just putting a picture on the wall? How about painting his high school photograph on his pegboard? So that's what I have planned for today. So I've got some paint here. We have his face on my computer, and we have actually, this is Alan's old projector that he gave to me. Little did he know that it would be used for this purpose. So real quick, we need to clean up our canvas. I'll get all of his tools off of there. I'll arrange them all somehow. They may not go back in the same order. And then we're gonna get to painting. Here we go.
Lit this town like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this.
And there you have one gray toned Alan. So the way I got the picture is I took the photo of Alan, put it into Final Cut Pro, played around with a bunch of different filters and stuff, and we came up with gray toned Alan, who is now pegboard Alan. One thing I'm really concerned about with this is I used acrylic paint this time, and I'm not sure how well it's gonna hold up. Like, will this still be around for generations to come to enjoy? I don't know. And one strange thing that's happening or hasn't happened yet is Alan hasn't texted me asking what's going on at his garage. Like, his camera should tell him that it's offline. His car should be telling him that I'm walking by it, but I haven't heard anything. So he's out sailing or racing a sailboat right now. So I'm hoping that they're doing a race right now and he won't find out about any of this until he gets back, which we'll see in a minute here. But let me know down in the comments, was this an appropriate response? I did say I would get him back 10 times worse than he got me by just putting my picture on the wall. So is this 10 times worse? Was it too much? Not enough? I don't know, let me know. But I'm not the worst brother in the world, so there's a good chance he's not gonna want this to stay. So in that case, sheet of pegboard is 20 bucks. So we're gonna give him 20 bucks, and it's actually more, it's something like $22. So we're gonna give him a 6-pack of beer too, except this is pickle beer. This is the worst beer in the world. So maybe he can have one of those with his new garage friend here. Oh, and I will say for the record, I consider this finishing what Alan started. This is not continuing what he started, so this is over unless he starts it again. I spent the last 10 or so days on a really cool vacation. I went and raced a big boat in the ocean. I got back super late last night, about 2 o'clock in the morning, and it was a fun vacation, but I'm exhausted. I'm sunburned and I'm covered in bruises and cuts and just like physically and mentally drained. I found this on my kitchen counter. Welcome back. Hope you had a great vacation. Turn on a camera before going in the garage. Changing the locks on my house. Okay. Son of a... No! 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 Well, I recently found Steven's high school yearbook picture and hung it on the wall in his garage. Apparently, he has learned how to oil paint. This is like a fine Da Vinci, and painted my high school yearbook photo on the wall of my garage. Touché, sir. Touché. Oh. That's so good. That's so bad. He left 20 bucks because I think he expects me to replace the pegboard.
Oh my god.
I think we hang this in the foyer. The bedroom above the bed.
Oh my god.